Does there never seem to be enough time? Are budget restraints squeezing your training dollars? Tired of searching for new and interesting classes? Welcome to EasyCEU.com, your online continuing education provider. Convenient, affordable, high-quality CEUs available to you via the web, anytime, anywhere.
Hi, I'm Sharon Brothers, president of EasyCEU.com. Whether you're looking for online continuing education for your career in health or elder care, or you want to position yourself for career opportunities within this field, we've got courses just for you. Our courses are comprehensive, leadership level, and really interesting too. They're affordable and they're fully approved for nursing home and assisted living administrators, nurses, social workers, and family therapists. At EasyCEU, we're committed to your career development. We're determined to offer courses that meet your continuing education needs, but are interesting and useful too. Because all of our courses are learner-led, you can take them anytime from any place. We have a saying around here, you can even take courses in your jammies. Oh, and one last thing, we'll never leave you hanging out on your own. Our tech support will walk you through every single phase of the online learning process, so don't be too worried if you've never taken an online class before. We call ourselves EasyCEU for a reason. They're easy, but they're also continuing education courses designed and approved for you.